Hello friends, again I am explaining the examples on binomial distribution. I am explaining all the examples in a very simple language, and I hope that you will understood all the problems and you can score more marks in board examination. Simultaneously, I am teaching on an academy platform for Mathematics 1 and Mathematics 2. Live lectures are there. I had completed the Mathematics 1 and Mathematics 2 on an academy platform. After this video, there are some slides of an academy, and if you like it, you can take its subscription, and if you apply the code Vasant sir, then you will get 10% off. Thank you. An academy. Let's crack MST-CT with an academy. Get your subscription today. Use code Vasant sir for 10% off. जर तुम्ही माझा हा प्रोमो कोड वापरला तर त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला 10% डिस्काउंट मिळेल आणि निश्चितच यामध्ये ही सर्व फी देखील कमी आहे. मी सर्व लाईव्ह लेक्चर्स यावर शिकवत असतो अनअकॅडमीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती M1 आणि M2 साठी, आणि सीईटीच्या प्रिपरेशनसाठी सर्व चॅप्टर्सची रिव्हिजन त्यामध्ये होत असते. 11 स्टँडर्डचा 20% पण अभ्यासक्रम यामध्ये कव्हर झालेला असतो. नेक्स्ट, अनअकॅडमी फीचर्स. Learn live from the comfort of your home. Unlimited access to all courses. Top educators of India on one platform. Exhaustive coverage of syllabus. Regular doubt clearing session. Live test series. Study material in PDF form. Answer writing session पण त्यामध्ये असते. Benefit of the MST-CT subscription. Mentorship and the guidance. 30 plus top educators. 20 plus batches. Test series, daily practice problems, full length mock test with the analysis, 2000 plus lesson, quizzes at regular intervals for the self analysis. These are the featured educators. Okay. Now the next is a batch courses on March 1st. Okay. These are the batches and the ongoing batch courses. Okay. मॅरेथॉन स्पेशल क्लास सिरीज पण इथे दाखवलेली आहे, यामध्ये तुम्ही जॉईन होऊ शकताय. टेस्ट सिरीज डेली T20, प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट आणि डेज तिथे दिलेला आहे. सीईटी साठीचा पोर्शन इथे दिलेला आहे. फिजिक्स तुम्ही स्क्रीनशॉट काढून बघू शकताय. नेक्स्ट इज अ biology and the chemistry. Last is mathematics. Okay. Plan for 1 month 1500, and if you apply the code that is Vasant sir, you will get the 10% off. Okay, this is the code you can apply. Okay. निश्चितच तुम्हाला ते आवडलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही निश्चितच याचं सबस्क्रिप्शन घ्या आणि बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये ॲज वेल ॲज सीईटी मध्ये देखील तुम्हाला चांगले मार्क्स मिळू शकतील. थँक यू. Now the next question is probability that a certain kind of component will survive a check test is 0.6. Find the probability that exactly 2 of the next 4 tested component survive. It's for the 3 marks. Okay. Now let us start here. Let capital X is equals to number of tested components survive. Okay. Then next, P is equals to probability probability that component survives the check test. The check test. Okay, that is it. P is equals to, therefore P is equals to 0.6 is equals to 6 upon 10, and that is equals to 3 upon 5. Therefore Q is equals to 1 minus P is equals to 1 minus 3 upon 5, and that is equals to 2 upon 5. Okay, given here, given n is equals to 4, then x follows the binomial distribution 4, and the value of P is 3 upon 5. Okay, the PMF of capital X is given as, okay, PMF of the capital X is given as P of capital X is equals to small x, that is equals to n Cx P raised to x into Q raised to n minus x. That is P of x is equals to 4cx 3 by 5 bracket raised to x into 2 by 5 bracket raised to 4 minus x. Okay, next P, that is the probability, exactly two components survive. Okay, that is equals to P of capital X is equals to 2 is equals to P of 2. Okay, therefore the next is a P of 2 is equals to 4 C 2, and here is a 3 by 5, it's a bracket square, and next is a 2 upon 5 4 minus 2. Okay, and that is equals to in bracket 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2 into in bracket 3 by 5 3 upon 5 bracket square 2 upon 5, it's a bracket square, and overall you will get here, that is equals to 4, here is a 2 into 3, you will get 6, 2 square, sorry, Here is a 3 square means what? 9. 2 square means what? You will get 4. 5 square into 5 square, that is a 625. Its a product is a 625, and therefore you will get here 216 upon 625, and if we perform its a calculation, then you will get 3456. Okay, you can perform the calculation by using the log tables also. Hence the probability that exactly 2 of the 4 tested components survive is 0.3456. Okay, you can see this here. The number of the tested component survive, probability that the component survive. P is equals to 3 by 5, Q is equals to 2 by 5, N is equals to 4, and this is the formula. Okay. Now the next problem, the probability that a fluorescent light has a useful life of at least 800 hours, 0.9. Find the probabilities that among 20 such a light, at least 2 will not have a useful life of at least 800 hours. Now the solution, let capital X number of fluorescent lights which has not useful life of at least 8,000 hours, out of 20 bulbs. Out of 20 bulbs. P, next is a P, probability that light has not useful life. And what about the Q? Probability probability that light has useful life. Useful life. Now here Q is equals to 0.9 and P is equals to 1 minus Q, that is a 0, 1 minus, that is, here is a, we'll write here 1 minus 0.9 and that is equals to 0.1. Therefore, X follows the binomial distribution n is equals to 20 and P is equals to 0.1. P is equals to 0.1. Thus PMF of X is P of capital X is equals to, that is equals to n C X P raised to X Q raised to n minus X. Okay, and again this can be written as, that is equals to 20 C X 0.1 bracket raised to X into 0.9 bracket raised to 20 minus X. Okay, next is, therefore P, that is a probability that at least 2 will not have useful life. That is equals to P of capital X is a greater than 2. Okay, and therefore again this can be written as, that is equals to 1 minus P of capital X less than 2, and here that is 1 minus in bracket P of capital X is equals to 0 plus P of capital X is equals to 1, and this is a 1 minus, that is a 20 C 0 0.1 bracket is to 0 into 1 minus 20 C 0.1 bracket is to 0 0.9 bracket is to 20 plus 20 C1 0.1 bracket is to 1, okay, into 0.9 bracket is to 90. Now we will evaluate this, that is equals to 1 minus, okay, this is the 20 C0, its value is 1 into 1 into 0.9 bracket is to 20 plus 20 C1, this is the first, 20 C1, its value is a 20 into 0.1 into 0.9 19 bracket is to 19. Okay, here is a bracket is completed, and to the next we will write here 1 minus, okay, that is 0.19, sorry, 0.9 bracket is to 20 plus 2 into 0.9 bracket is to 90. Okay, and that is equals to the calculation. This calculation, you can perform this calculation, that is and it is 0.3902. Okay, and that is equals to, okay, that is equals to 0.60908. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, that is equals to 0.60908. Now the next problem. Let x is equals to number of family families who own a television, who own a television Next, P is equals to probability of family who own a television set. Okay. Next, therefore, P is equals to 80%. That is equals to 80 upon 100 is equals to 4 upon 5. Okay. Q is equals to 1 minus P, that is equals to 1 minus 4 upon 5, that is equals to 1 by 5. This is the value of Q. Now next is a given n is equals to 5. Okay. Then x follows the binomial distribution 5, 4 upon 5. Okay. The PMF of capital X is given as that is a P of capital X is equals to small x, that is equals to NCX. Okay, that is equals to NCX. P raised to X into q raised to n minus x. Okay, and the next is that is p of x is equals to 5 cx 4 upon 5 bracket raised to x 1 upon 5 bracket raised to 5 minus x. The values of x is equals to 0, 1 and that is 5. Okay. Now the first is, that is the first. What is the first question? 3 families own a television set. Therefore, we will write here P 3 families own a television. Okay, own a television set. Therefore, P of capital X is equals to 3 is equals to P of 3. Okay, is equals to P of 3 and that is equals to 5 C 3 in bracket 4 upon 5 bracket raised to 3 1 upon 5, it's a bracket square. Okay. Now next is a 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3 into 1 upon 5 square. Okay, again the simplification of this is that is equals to, okay, the 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 factorial and this divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 raised to 3 means what? It is a 64. 5 raised to 3. Okay. 5 raised to 3 means 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. Then you will get 5 raised to 5. Okay. You will get here 5 raised to 5. Now the simplification you will get here, that is equals to 10 into 64 upon 10 into 64 upon 5 raised to 5 is a 3, 1, 2, 5 and it's a multiplication, that is a 640 upon 3125 and that is equals to 0.2048. Okay, now this is the first, therefore the answer is 0.2048. Now next is a P of capital X greater than or equal to 2, that is equals to 1 minus P of X less than 2, that is equals to, here is a 1 minus P of capital X is equals to 0 plus P of capital X is equals to 1. Okay, now the next is that is equals to 1 minus in bracket 5C0 4 by 5 4 upon 5 bracket raised to 0 1 by 5 bracket raised to 5, okay, plus 5C1 4 upon 5 bracket raised to 1 and 1 by 5 bracket raised to 4, okay, and this equals to, if we simplify this, that is equals to 1 minus, okay, that is a 5C0, its value is 1 and this is 1, therefore overall you will get 1 by 5 whole bracket is to 5 plus 5C1, its value is a 5, next is a 4 upon 5, this is the 4 upon 5 into 1 by 5 bracket raised to 4 into 1 by 5, it's a bracket raised to 4, okay. Now the next calculation is, that is this equals to 1 minus, if we take 1 by 5 bracket raised to 4 as a common, then you will get, okay, that is equals to 1 by 5 plus 4, okay, and then simplify this, that is you will get here 1 minus 1 by 5 bracket raised to 4 into, that is a 21 upon 5, okay, 21 upon 5, and overall you will get 1 minus 21 upon 5 raised to 5, okay, this is the 5 raised to 5 and that is a 1 minus 21 upon 3 1 2 5, and after simplification you will get, that is a 3 1 2 5 minus 2 1 and this divided by 3 1 2 5, okay, and that is equals to here 3 1 0 4, this divided by 3 1 2 5, and that is equals to 0.99328, okay, this is the final probability, okay, okay. Now this is the next. Given x follows the binomial distribution n is equals to 10 and it's a p of x is equals to 8, then the value of p is, okay. Now here e of x is equals to, we have the formula e of x is equals to np, okay, e of x is equals to np and that is equals to 8, but what is the value of n? N is 10, that is a 10 p is equals to 8, therefore p is equals to 8 upon 10 and that's why p is equals to 0.8, p is equals to 0.8 and hence the option C is the correct one, that is option C, which is the 0.8, okay. Next, x follows the binomial distribution np, e of x is equals to 12, variance of x is equals to 4, then the value of n is, now we have the formula, again the solution e of x is equals to np and that is equals to 12. Next is a variance of x, variance of x is equals to n p q, and that is equals to 4. If we take their ratios, that is n p q upon n p, and that is equals to 4 upon 12. 4 upon 12. Then what will happen? NP get cancel, and you will get 3 ones are and 3 3s are 4 3s are 12. That is, here you will get the value of q is 1 by 3. Okay. Now, as q is 1 by 3, therefore p is equals to 1 minus q, and that is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 3, and that is equals to 2 upon 3. This is the value of p. P is equals to 2 upon 3. Next, E of x is equals to np. E of capital X is equals to np, and that is equals to 12. What is the value of p? That is n into 2 upon 3, that is equals to 12. Therefore, n is equals to, that is, this is the 36 upon 2, and therefore n is equals to 18. This is the value. N is equals to 18, and hence again the option C is the correct one. That is 18. Okay. And in this way, we have completed all the questions which has been asked in the board examination. Thank you.